Hey everyone, welcome back to my another video. Let's learn cursive handwriting paragraph in English on the topic of a perfect morning routine. Let's write and learn together. Number 1 is wake up at consistent time. Try to wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your today's internal clock and make it easier to wake up in the morning. Second one is exercise or yoga. Physical activities in the morning can help boost energy levels, improve mood, and increase focus. Third one is meditate or practice mindfulness. Taking a few minutes to focus can help reduce stress and mental clarity. Fourth one is eat a healthy breakfast. It is most important thing. A nutritious breakfast can provide energy to start the day. Next important thing is plan your day. It can help you feel more organized and in control. Next one is read or write. It can help improve focus and creativity. Now, the last but not the least, gratitude. Be grateful what you have. It helps to start a day with a positive attitude. Now show your positive attitude and subscribe my channel and like my video. If you want to know more about any other topic, then let me know in comment section. See you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.